Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Spotify and going straight to your profile or the settings gear. This is where Shareplay options live. Once done, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID across devices because Shareplay ties into FaceTime and Apple services. If you're on iOS, tap the gear icon, and if on Mac, choose Spotify Preferences. These first actions reveal the controls you'll change in the next step. You now look for playback or devices inside settings. That's where Shareplay appears. Once there, find the Shareplay or allow Shareplay during FaceTime sessions, switch and tap to turn it off. This stops automatic shared listening. If you don't see it, make sure Spotify and iOS/Mac OS are updated, and then quit and reopen the app. You're changing a permission rather than deleting content, so the change takes effect immediately for future. Finish by confirming the change. Start a FaceTime call and play a track to ensure Shareplay no longer starts. If Shareplay persists, sign out of Spotify and sign back in because cached permissions sometimes remain active, then recheck the toggle. If issues continue, update your OS and reinstall Spotify to reset integrations. One key troubleshooting tip: check both device and Apple ID settings. Shareplay can be enabled at the Apple level even if Spotify's toggle is off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.